This is how to rearrange columns in your pivot table in Excel. I will show you this with two examples because I thought of two scenarios where you might need that. The first one is in the first pivot table. I just clicked on it and that has enabled the pivot table fields, and I like to have the sum of cost of salaries first. So to do that, I simply need to go to the values section over here, identify the sum of cost of salary from over here, and just drag it to the top and rearrange it as I want to. So that would ensure that I can arrange the columns the way I want. And the second option that you have, let's say that you don't have the columns as sum or count or average or whatever calculation of a field, but instead you have added the columns to the column section over here, such as I did with the city. So in this case, I would like to arrange the cities to put Paris first, Rome second, and so on. So to do that, I need to select the entire column that I want to arrange, then hover on the border of the cell until this cursor changes to this dark cross. Click on it, and while holding the click, notice how I'm hovering over the other cells and this cursor appears over here, and when I release, the column has been moved to the top. Now let me do that again for another one, and just like that you can arrange columns in two different ways. Let me know if these ways work for you. Thumbs up the video if this helped you. Let me know in the comments if you need any further help, and I'll see you in the next one.